In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Cisco Webex API. If you're new to this, don't worry. We'll break these steps down to help you get started seamlessly with making your applications Webex integrated. So let's dive right in. The first crucial step in using the Webex API is creating a Webex account. Simply put, a Webex account will serve as your gateway to all the powerful tools and APIs that Webex offers. Without an account, you won't have access to the APIs we need. Start by heading over to the Webex for Developers portal. This portal is packed with resources, including comprehensive API documentation, tutorials, and examples, as well as an interactive API reference guide that will be indispensable as you work with the Webex API. Once you have your Webex account all set up, the next thing you'll need is a personal access token. This token is key to testing and utilizing the Webex API effectively, as it authenticates you in the system, proving that you have the necessary permissions to make requests and receive responses using the API. To obtain your personal access token, you'll want to start by signing back into the Webex developer portal. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Getting Started page, where you'll find a section dedicated to obtaining your personal access token. It might sound a bit techy, but it's quite straightforward. When you locate your personal access token on the page, you'll also see a convenient copy button. It's there to make the entire process easier, allowing you to easily copy the token to your clipboard without any risk of mistyping. This access token is your key to interacting with the API, so it's essential to keep it secure. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, as it grants access to your Webex space. Once you've grasped and completed these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging the Cisco Webex API for your projects. With your Webex account and personal access token ready, you'll find yourself in a powerful position to start integrating Webex functionalities with your application, whether you're looking to manage users, create spaces, or handle messages programmatically. I hope this explanation has simplified the initial process of setting up and using the Cisco Webex API. These foundational steps lay the groundwork for more complex operations and customizations you can explore as you grow more comfortable with the API tools. Keep an eye out for our next tutorial, where we'll delve even deeper, helping you unlock and harness the full potential of Webex API in your solutions. Happy integrating!